guys, welcome to my channel. Anyway, we are here at Bukit Timok Rail Corridor Adventure. Please join us to explore this mountain. Let's go. This is the Rail Corridor and Bukit Timah.
Tapos, hinahagis. Ay, kiss muna. Tapos, hinahagis mo.
Hi guys, it's good to walk, but the only scary thing here is the snake at the top of the tree. They don't want to live in the ground. That is the problem. This is the only good thing in Singapore. They made us easily so you can climb the mountain safely. So you'll really enjoy what you're going through. I love this way. Look, it's very safe. You're walking like hanging the bridge. By the way, they are my model on the bridge. Kung pupunta kayo rito, make sure na may dala kayong itak.
Ate.
Hi guys! Papunta naman kami dito sa kabundukan. Naiwanan namin yung mga baril namin. Ay ano yung dahat? Ito, marami sa amin dito. Ang tawag dito dahat. Pag hinawakan mo, masusugatan ka. Dito kami sa liblib na lugar na wala nakakakitang tao. Yeah, we are in the mountain. We're walking to release our sweet. Dito kailangan sharp. Kailangan sharp yung mata mo kasi minsan may tumatakbo na lang ng mga animals. Kasa kami ang leader. Ano to? Water hen hide? Bakit? Bakit nakatago yung hen? See, the wild. Guys, ito ang aming mga ito yung wow, ang ganda naman. Wow, the beautifulness in the world. This one, look. Wow, amazing. Guys, para sa mga maliit na snake. Apply very close to the ground. I can be found anywhere on the sea. Wow, so beautiful. Ito dragonfly. Hold on. That is the good thing. Very important. They have a reminder to the mountain climbers not to walk when it's raining, to avoid lightning strike. You know, because it's very dangerous. Yay! Finally, we reached the mountain. Tired from walking, we're sleeping. Me and my friends. But we're enjoy. Thanks God.
Oh God. So here is very that called is Kologodik. If you come over here, it's very nice. Everything is nice. Look, this is Kologodik way.